Science Unit 2. We use our senses and our nervous system to interact with the world around us. We have 5 senses: sight, hearing, smell, taste, and touch. Each of these senses sends a message through the nervous system to our brain, so we know what is happening around us and can respond. Our eyes are the organs of sight. We can see different shapes, sizes, and colors. Our ears are the organs of hearing. We can hear sounds that are loud and sounds that are quiet. Our nose is the organ of smell. We can identify good and bad smells. Our tongue is the organ of taste. We can identify different tastes: sweet, salty, bitter, and sour. Our skin is the organ of touch. We can feel things that are hot or cold, soft or hard, rough or smooth. Our eyes are the organs of sight. Our eyes are very delicate and are protected by our eyebrows, eyelashes, and eyelids. These stop sweat and dust from getting into our eyes. The iris is a big colored circle at the front of the eye. The pupil is a black circle in the middle of the iris. Light enters the eye through the pupil and it makes an image on the retina on the back of the eye. The retina sends this information to our brain, and this is what we see. Our eyes are very delicate, so we must look after them. Visit the optician regularly, wear glasses if you need them, always read with good light, don't spend too long using the computer, don't sit too near the television. Our ears are the organs of hearing. Our ears have 3 parts: the outer ear, the middle ear, and the inner ear. The outer ear is the part of our ear that is visible. In the middle ear there is the eardrum, and there are 3 small bones. The cochlea is in the inner ear. How do we hear? Sounds enter the outer ear and go into the middle ear. The eardrum vibrates. These vibrations travel along the 3 small bones to the cochlea. In the cochlea, the vibrations are turned into signals. Nerves carry these signals to our brain, and this is what we hear. Our nose is the organ of smell. We can identify good and bad smells. Air enters the nose through the 2 holes called the nostrils. This air goes to the olfactory nerve. The olfactory nerve detects smells in the air and sends this information to our brain. This is what we smell. Our tongue is the organ of taste. Our tongue is covered in many taste buds. These taste buds identify different tastes. Nerves send information about the different tastes to our brain. We can identify 4 different tastes: sweet, salty, bitter, and sour. What's your favorite taste? Our skin is the organ of touch. Our body is covered in skin. The skin on our fingertips is very sensitive. Our skin can tell us if something feels soft or hard, hot or cold, rough or smooth. Nerves send this information to our brain. The nervous system controls everything we do: thinking, walking, talking, sleeping, and even breathing. The most important part of the nervous system is our brain. The brain is an organ inside our head. It sends information to different parts of our body through the nerves. It also receives information from our 5 senses through the nerves. We have nerves all over our body. It is important to have our eyes checked regularly, especially when we are growing. If we have a problem with our sight, an eye test helps the optician find out exactly what the problem is. During an eye test, the optician asks us to read letters and examine our eyes. If we need glasses, the optician finds the best glasses for our eyes. Children should have an eye test at least every 2 years.